Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Most of these rogue subs employees don't want to go to school and improve themselves. Sergeant Faninkosi could have been a brigadier for his age, right? But he isn't. Ngoba ufisa ukukhathalela indaba like ufila ukuthi bara zingenaphi. Ngicela ukubuza lo muntu why did he have explosives in his house? I'm a grenade. I'm just like the grenade one. Ngabuze naye Madlanga. What's gonna happen? Nabuze lo muntu wasabese kuthiwa actually the Madlanga tasked him. Iyona Mbophile brothers. They came to his house like the stuff that they found in that house. They just like, no, but how do you stay with those things in your house? Crazy things like that. Why do you have explosives in your house in the to Aranje? Or was he trying to like basically this guy? I'm just like, what is even going on with this person? He's arrested, guys. So quick. I'm like, you were just at Madlanga, guys. And Madlanga is actually coming back tomorrow on the 7th. I saw somewhere. I thought they were coming back on the 13th, but they're actually coming back tomorrow. This is why I'm doing this video. I'm just like, you know what's crazy though about Madlanga? They're not going to discuss it. Never a grenade. They're not those people. It's okay. Yeah, Fanny was arrested, guys. Can we now move on? No. Bazo right to another next ndaba. At first, guys, I'm so sorry again. I was just like ad hoc is the one for me. But no, Madlanga is. But I said it last week as well about Madlanga. I was just like, mini Madlanga am geek. Because just as much as being for all those rogue subs employees or Shetrek, all of them, or Sinon being bafuna jail labantu. I just feel good that hasn't happened yet. When is it going to happen? Including Brigadier Kininda for defeating the ends of justice and continuing to think he's untouchable. They must be arrested. They found so many things at his house. 495 unlicensed. Guys, what are you doing those things? Are you an army? I'm just like, guys, after all so many things that he was telling us there, I was just like, you are saying too much. They also found a state-issued hand grenade. Guys, it was a crazy things to keep in the house. When it comes to such, I could never, oh my gosh, like, every day in the same house. They also found about 8 pistols owned by him, but they're all over the place in the house. You can't keep them like that. I need to know how it is. Because like how those things are lying around in your house, but they must be put properly. We're not in the movies. Please. Ngapha, he acted like he didn't know who 007 is. I wanted to catch double muntu. Because it's not another level. His lies are just like following him now. I'm Landela. I'm just like, and the lies I have short legs. Little short legs is and it's saying, just like, bro, which way are you going? Summing up, tuning up. I'm just like, I'm a voice. You need to rate this guy's house. This guy. I can't believe his life is over. And when they called him 007, he was just like, Ubaloy. But actually, in fact, it wasn't 7. It was 8 pistols, 1 shotgun, and they found 3 rifles as well. I got that, guys. It's a lot. 8. In Lindu now. So all the subs members have that in their house. Just as much as they are licensed, but still. Fanny honestly is a total embarrassment for subs. Lo muntu lo waqala ekhuluma English kahle, he didn't have problems, he was like well spoken. He went on to say, no, actually, I can't speak anymore. Can I have a interpreter? It's just like, guys. The interpreter, you just like, even now, it's just like, this guy, he's in another level. Funny. He's just in Julius Mkhwanazi. Mkhumbula Julius Mkhwanazi namanzi. Ephuza amanzi. La muntu looked guilty from first day. Kodwa ephika, I don't know anything. Kanti unezikhandala. Futhi blue lights is nothing. The one lama blue lights. Look at Matlala. That's zero that. He's got big things that guy has done. It's the same as Funny. Funny is rogue. Like, it's the stuff that is done. And he knows big names ingane zo Didi Mabuza, like nephew actually got Didi Mabuza. I'm like, guys, ufika nini lapho? How do you get there though? He had so many names. I was just like, ngeke guys, this guy ubani, like ukubone le nto feel ukuthi nini was outside Ketmulifi's house njani guys. You start to learn other things. You're like, God, abantu lapha abekho right, they do things. I mean, I just felt like this guy, Sergeant Faninkos, is dark. Is that person is just very dark. And stuff is still gonna come out about him, right? Yeah, this is like the beginning. But this is just an arrest. And you feel good to Lumuntu lo wayikhuluma into eningi kakhulu eMadlanga. Manje kusazophuma into eningi ngaye. Because those things that he was saying that Madlanga, it was about people. Bambuzi puti. Those shoes and that jean, no, that's not my jean. That's me, yeah. But that's not my jean. My jean was blue, that one is black. Those sneakers, is in another level. They also found a lot of dockets in his house. Abantu bekhala. Hayi dockets yami lwathi satholakala police station. Basuke bekhuluma ngoFaninkosi. Ofaninkosi guys, they mustn't come out of jail. His case, the whole East usejele. So which means tomorrow on Tuesday they're going to speak about your case. They're gonna have a hearing. But he can't get bail. He's actually a flight risk. I'm just like, he was a flight risk sitting there at Madlanga. He can't come to Madlanga anymore, this guy. He can't go anywhere. The task team now is trying to spare this guy because he has a lot of information. He's not at the police station, apparently. He's not kept there. He's kept at a safe place because people just like, when are we going to papa you? And I'm just like, he was still at his house. I'm even surprised. Guys, after that whole thing of you outing people there at Madlanga, just like, when I was just like, why were you taking out names? He had a lot of names, about people. And he even mentioned there at Madlanga, no, actually, me as a person, it's not even I work for SAPS. As a child, wayeyithandela ibhamu kusami yibukela ku-TV ukuthi nje yabo izothi papa ngiyadubo. Like, he mentioned it himself. He said at Madlanga, mina, I love izibhamu like you've never seen in your life. Ngizithanda over ibhamu. But guys, to keep them in your house like that, that's just like so crazy, guys. Who was he with there? Inkosikazi akithi nengane. Umuntu njani lo? And before, he had actually mentioned before Gutiana is not safe, ne? But naye ayunomlomo, I must say. But at the same time, he must actually sing like a canary now. Totally, and expose some more for us, because he's in trouble. He's in so much trouble. This guy is going down. Yes, as I'm sure OCBR just like bakuthathe hambukhuluma ngathi. Keep in the hours zethu. Akavela keep sonke indaba zalama generals abolile. Akazikhiphi, ayikho futhi indlela azokwenza ngayo. Yabona ama charges akhe, they even include theft. I'm just like, gag. Theft is there, unlicensed ammunition. I'm just like, oh, sifike nini? defeating the ends of justice is also involved in his charges. So I'm just like, no, Baba, no, guys, Baba Gabang. And the fact that he failed to put the firearms properly in a safe. They were all over the place in the house, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, it's so scary. Oh, can't. But I guess at the end of the day, you will go to Fanny's if you are a mgulugudu like him. That's just my thing. Vele ibgulugudu ayisabulutha ngithi. Vele njengoba ungena eminyango nansi if ame ekhahlela. Like, you know, the type of thing. Now umgulugudu like him, you are actually a scamming. Ngoba vele igebengu abantu abafika kwakho. But my question every time is, where was the wife? Where were the children? I can't get over this one. So guys, Fanny Nkosi's life is over kanjalo. Fanny Nkosi was actually involved with a lot of imgulugudus, including Gobana, is actually called Swazi's son. You remember, we don't want to go there, guys. Please again. That whole thing, you go to Swazi, Uban, lo baba lo. Yeah, but you lo baba lo. I've repeated so many times for the past at least 3 weeks. During Fanny's testimonies for 8 days, guys. 8. Upreki record phela emadlanga lo. 8. Kuba mambona emadlanga ukuthi lona ukhipha indaba. He needs to come back every time. He came back 8 times. Mswazi was actually shot here, unalived la eMapro. Yes, the taxi boss. Umngani wabo wonke abantu. uJulius Malema manje ngoba engazi uba uhlanya. Bafanele akhulume ngomkwanazi wena umkwanazi. I will tell him there at Madlanga very calm. Wena uyagijima in some rally yakho instead of concentrating on getting people for the EFF and votes. Busy. Yeah, when I'm Mkwanazi, yeah, umbuka nje. Mkwanazi hasn't said anything to Julius, you know, after that. Because Mkwanazi is always on point about his stuff. He doesn't suck his thumb and then be like, oh my gosh, yeah, when. No. He's not childish, even, about his stuff. That he says about people, about rogue people, uJulius sazophuma indaba zakhe, you know, right? Yeah. The fact of is the same person now. Njengoba umbone ehamba i-court, ehamba la amacala akhe of having ammunition and all of that. Ngoba naye nje wayibhizi fly isibham ngapha nangapha. Njengoba ubona uFanny Nkosi, those things akuzona into zokudlala. The fact ukuthi kufike kwakho kwatholakala ibham, they were all over the place in the house instead of the safe. The act says no. That's not allowed. Uzobosh phoyisa or not. This is why I always say, Uguti, no one is above the law. We have been saying it. Worse for the past 3 months. I'm just like, Kale, no one's above the law. Uzobosh. Yabona nje lo ababa lo wayekhuluma ne-SIU ebhizi lapha kwakhe, hey mina bangiyeke nguJoseph, my colleagues have turned on me. No. uJoseph General Shadrach Sibi namagama amaningi kanjalo wamuntu ngoba wathi I'm Joseph from the Bible, I don't deserve this. Guys, kukuthi umgulukudu ke of them gulugudus. Hayi lo yabona ke makuthiwa umuntu umgulukudu of note and everyone is just like nilindeni uzoboshwana kanti uGeneral Sibi. Ngoba lo muntu uneyinkanda leyiningi, actually asibe nje kahle. It's got blood on his hands, this guy. Akaboshwa nje. UFanny futhi ngeke ngibona ngifile sengathi ngaba baqalanga ngoFanny. Baqale ngayi. Abantu nje guys, they must just be arrested. Ngeke. And I had said ukuthi before iMadlanga iphela abantu ababoshwa. Before ad hoc iphela, and ad hoc but is not coming back. It's done. I'm just like kanjani. Angikwenzi next nini. IMadlanga abantu thini. That we trusting right now, you know? Kodwa nje Madlanga did actually tell Fanny Nkosi ukuthi, including advocate Charles Cassin, they were like, oh yeah, Kamanga, just tell the truth, you know? Oh, I hate this guy. Sergeant Fanny Nkosi Bandla Nkosami is a criminal. You know, he even paid Natasha from SAPC. Uvele sisters were suspended. Angazi nokuthi uphelele indaba yakhe. Uhamba ama hearing there at SAPC for taking a 500 rands bribe. So yabona imali ukuthi ihamba kanjani? Because it's a problem. You don't have a job, chances are, anymore. Because there's a 500 rand, guys, of a bribe from a sergeant who busy saying to you, I miss you. I'm just like, is it? What's that? Is South Africa? What
is it that you're trying to hide? That's the question I have to ask. Do you want to put me at rest?
Yeah, Maja.
There are many things that are deceiving in that picture there. Because of the sneaker that I was wearing, they were black, but there they are orange. So I'm just trying to show the commission, not being funny, Honorable Baloyi.
It seems the easiest way to scupper a procurement process is just to remove documents, throw them away, the result of which will be that the process has become irregular. This is not the first time this is happening. It happened at the stage of the evaluation of the very contract that's being extended from time to time now. I wonder how the documents get or go missing.
Last week, Monday, I asked you about Natasha SABC, who gave you a phone number for Mr. Kaula. And I put it to you that you had paid for the information, paid money for the information. You initially said no, and then I invited you to go back and look at your WhatsApps with Natasha SABC and to check. Can I take you to to page 443 of the annexure bundle? That will be file, I think it's 4 of 4 of the originals.
Page?
443. And if you go down towards the bottom of the page, you'll see that on the 6th of November 2024, you sent 500 rands in cash with the reference "miss you." You see it?
That's correct.
Can you confirm that that 500 rands was sent to Natasha SABC? And maybe to assist you, can I ask, did you go back and look at your chats with Natasha SABC? Because if you did, you'd find the reference to that payment on the same day, the 6th of November 2024.
Sorry, Sergeant Gosi, I did not hear. Did you say you do see the transaction or not?
Yes, I see the 500 here.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Can you confirm that that was a payment to Natasha SABC?
Here in my account, it does not show. Maybe if I can see the...
Did you go back to your chats? Because you said you would. I sort of invited you to go back to the chats and check. I mean, I can get the chats circulated to the commission. I can take you through the chats and show you if you would like.
No, it's fine.
So you will confirm that that was the payment to Natasha SABC?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to rectify the statement that I said I did not pay Natasha. I said I don't quite remember.
I think the record says something else, but let's go forward, not backwards.
Yes.
So what do you say now? Did you make the payment?
No, if I think so.
Do you want to see the chats? I mean, I don't know if you have gone back to the chats.
No, it's fine. Can I just see quickly?
Are you happy to confirm that that was a payment made to Natasha SABC? I mean, if we're going to go through the chats, we'll have to paginate them, give them a number, and I'm not sure if it's necessary. All I want to establish is that this was a payment to Natasha SABC for that information about the phone number of Musa Kaula.
Please look at 1345 of the document that has just been given to you in chat 6.
Yes, I see Chat 6,
and
Commissioner.
respond to Advocate Chaskalson's question.
I mean, if we are going to look at the chats, can I take you through where they begin?
Okay, no.
No, or do you want to be taken through the chats?
No.
I thought I was giving you a way out, Sergeant Nkosi.
Yes, no, I did.
If you don't accept my offer, Advocate Chaskalson will take you through all the chats.
Yes.
What's your response now? Looking at what appears at page 1345, do you now accept that you did pay Ms. Natasha? Oh, it just says Natasha SABC presenter here. Do you accept that you paid her 500 francs?
Maybe I can just, I accept.